Gold today has stayed bullish, achieved higher highs. In the morning update, we have seen a flat opening and the support from the 20 period moving average. And we have also discussed that this could be a pullback, but then a greener candle can follow. That is what has happened. At the same US crude also has seen the reversal, and this was also updated in our morning update that crude might see a reversal candle here, a greener candle here. It has breached past 85. In fact, it has come to the resistance level at 85.4, 85.5. Now, what to expect from gold and crude oil today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day for respective commodities, which gold and oil. Those who watched the first one definitely would have profited. I released the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, press the bell icon and join my free Telegram channel to get the live update. Let's start. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see higher lows, higher highs are seen. Only selling entry today was below 1868 levels, and gold has not shown or seen such levels. It has stayed bullish throughout this day, continue to yield greener candles here. Now, if you look at higher highs are seen here, this is the zone where we are going to look at the first resistance at around 92, and then beyond that we are looking forward to 1898 and 1900 levels. Yes, these are key levels for gold. Beyond 1892, certainly we are going to look at 1898, 1900 levels. Remember this fact here. And in fact, though once it has breached past 1885, the next major resistance itself is at 1898, 1900 zone. However, for now, for today, it is 1892 which it needs to break past by in order to confirm the rise. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see it is staying outside bullion and hence may get a resistance here at these levels. At the same time, the support levels at 1880 is strong, then 1877, 74 zone. This is the maximum support zone for the day. If at all it tries to breach this zone, then only we can say that it is turning bearish. Stochastic is overbought. This calls for a little retracement. MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI is overbought here. So yes, on the hourly charts, things are overbought. A slight retracement cannot be denied. But right now, it is still showing the strength here. If you look at 2-hour charts, bullish candles, it may try to achieve 91, 92 zone before looking forward to any down move. Right now, it is so far getting a slight resistance here at 90-92 zone. Let's see if it breaks past this. Yes, the prices are divergent from the moving average. Possibly achieving these levels, it can again retrace. The support at 1880 is going to remain the strongest support here. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD has crossed over again, trying to trade with divergence and bullishness. It is looking upwards. RSI is also overbought. So on the 2-hour charts also things are slightly overbought. Coming to 3-hour charts. Now see, on the 3-hour charts, one thing is clear: higher lows, higher highs. See how beautifully these levels are achieved here and how beautifully gold has stayed in this channel. The bottom of the channel is far below at around 74 levels. So first thing is it has to stay below 80 levels and then 74 levels in order to confirm the drop. And this is also the bottom of the channel. Any break below this channel will be a bearish indication. At the same time, why did I say that now on the 2-hour charts, if you look at the highs are here, so higher highs means 90-92 zone certainly should provide a resistance, and we may see a pullback from these. Yes, a little retracement on the downside cannot be denied here. We have to trade carefully. Stochastic overbought. MACD again has crossed over, trading with a slight divergence. RSI overbought. On the 4-hour. Now, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Candle size consistently increasing. This candle again trying to break out. Beyond 1892, you have to buy. There is no other option. But beyond 92, we can see a pullback towards, we can see a rise towards 1898, 1900 zone. And this is a breakout candle. This can continue on the upside if it stays beyond 1892. Do not sell. If it stays above 1892, more bullishness may prevail. I will look forward for it to achieve close to 1900 at least. Now, moving averages here are trading with divergence. The prices are divergent from the moving average. I do expect that there should be a slight pullback. Even if it is bullish, it may try to show a slight pullback here. Stochastic rising. MACD again trading with divergence and again in green. RSI is slightly overbought. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. See, the 50 period moving average is at best it may try to achieve, and this is going to remain a greater resistance. At the same time, if you just connect the highs, right now these highs are beautifully aligned, and hence it has already achieved these levels. There should be a slight pullback. In fact, I will recommend you to sell at 1880 six levels, 1886, 85. Yes, these were the good resistance levels earlier. Now these are going to be a good support, and hence 1886, 85 levels you should watch out. Below that you can expect 1880, 1881 levels might get. At the same time, beyond 1892.5, you can expect it to rise for 1900, 1898, 1900 levels. Yes, you can stay long above 1892.5. Uh, and in between 86 and 1892.5, do not take any position. On the downside, even if it tries to drop, I do not see 1880 certainly should remain a great support. Only bearishness is if it stays below 1874 and then 1870 levels. Complete reversal appears difficult, hence you have to trade with caution. But stochastic here is overbought. Now, why it is going to stay bullish? Look at the MACD. We have seen earlier in the day that, see, this is the first wave, second wave is continuing, and this can continue on the upside and may yield a bullish candle here because the MACD has crossed over at the bottom, but it is still continuing on the bullishness here. RSI is rising. So looking at this, trades are very clear. Buy at 92.5, sell at 1886. On the upside, be cautious for 1898 and 1900 zone, first and very strong resistance. Beyond that, we may look forward to 1904, 1905 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 26 batch is going to start on 16th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. See, first of all, oil has erased all the losses. It has come to the resistance zone here. You can see previously 85.2, 85.5 has provided it a maximum resistance, and hence again it has to stay above 85.5 in order to confirm the further rise. In the morning update, I had mentioned one thing, that once the prices stay 83, 83.6 level and 84, certainly the next target is going to be, see, 83.6, 84 was the first and stronger resistance, and beyond that the next target was 85. This is achieved here. Now see, it has seen a W-shaped recovery here. Double bottom levels are done and it has seen a complete recovery. So yes, if it breaks past by 85.5, certainly one can stay long for 86 and 87 levels. 87 is the top of this channel, which is going to be a greater resistance. If you look at stochastic, this is extremely overbought. MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to on the 2-hour charts, one thing we have seen, higher lows are seen, and thus higher highs here means 87 levels are achievable. After this sharp drop, this is trying to trade in this retracement zone as of now. Yes, this is also was discussed, the double bottom W-shaped recovery, and precisely this is what I call W-shaped recovery. Here it has completed the journey towards this end. Now only buying position is above 85.5 and only selling position now is below 84 levels. As long as 84 is respected, I will not treat this as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish, RSI is also near to overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hours. Now one must note that, see, the breakout here, one bullish candle, second bullish candle, and the third bullish candle may appear, which may try to take it above 86 levels as well. We can look forward to 86.5 and 87 levels. Yes, the resistance here at 85.5 is greater here. So once it breaks past 85.5, further bullishness may prevail, and I will look forward to 86 level, 87 levels here. We have to be watchful here. Stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is also staying bullish here, looking upwards. Coming to 4, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see megaphone pattern, W-shaped recovery, completed the journey here. A breakout beyond 85.5, just stay long. We are going to look forward to further bullishness from there. However, this is definitely a greater resistance zone here, and hence we are not going to trade as long as oil stays between 84 and 85.5 levels here. Yes, in between this $1.5 a broader zone, but the most of the move is done. Those who had watched the morning update, the Asia session update, would have profited. But now, since it has seen the most of the move and it has come to the resistance zone, I will try to play safe now and wait for it to break past 85.5 in order to confirm the rise. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. Coming to the day, now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, these are lower highs here. It has breached the lower highs. It has stayed a single flat bullish candle. Also, one must note that the 20-period moving average is sitting at around 86. So yes, 86 is also one of the achievable and target levels here. Beyond that, certainly I will look forward to 87 zone. Yes, 87, 86 zone is it's something which is achievable and which is going to remain a great resistance. The stochastic comfortable. MACD. Now see why there is a bullish candle. You can see the sharp divergence on MACD. This called for a conversion here, and that is why I recommended you to stay long in oil, and we can expect a rise. That is what has happened. RSI is also looking upwards. Looking at this now, a buying position, because see most of the rise is done. We have to wait for 85.5 levels to be breached, and then you can look forward to 86, 87 zone, which is going to be the greater resistance zone here. Beyond 87, it is 87.6 and 88, the strongest resistance. If it breaks past this, oil is going to remain bullish next week too. Now, on the downside, a selling position is recommended only and only if you see oil is staying below 84, below which slight bearishness for 83.6, 83 levels can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your every like, every share, every subscribe and comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver on time, every time, twice a day for oil and gold, and thus it is certainly a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Do join my mentorship batch or join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the weekly reviews tomorrow. Do not miss the weekly reviews. Thank you.